Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word uncourageous. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Despite facing numerous challenges, Jane remained uncourageous and avoided taking any risks. Uncourageous means lacking bravery or determination, exhibiting fear and timidity instead of facing challenges with confidence and courage. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.